So today is October 19, 2011, and today out of
Knex,
we built 2 cubes. This is when we built, me and Papa, and took us sort of long, 10 minutes or maybe 20.
Ooh, that's so long. That's just too long.
Probably more than half an hour actually.
And this is what Papa and me built.
Cool.
And
This is what
And that's what Maxim built.
This has a special connection. See here, it's not normal. Theirs is sticking out, mine isn't. Because of this thing, it's curved.
I see.
And this was what it came from. First it was this, and
We had this going all the way to the ceiling.
yeah, and this was this.
Right?
yeah, and this we took red pieces out of this, and now ta-da!
Здорово.